Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good.
So, I don't have a way to pay for my Uber today.
Oh yeah, I just saw you canceled. Why did you do that?
Yeah, like, I don't have any money, so I was hoping we could, like, work something else out, you know?
I mean, it's got to go through the app. Like, I can't take Zelle or anything. Or
I mean, well, I canceled it in the app, so, like, could we just, like, figure out, like, if there's any, like, chores you need done, or...
I mean, no.
like
I mean,
that?
I have all my chores taken care of because, yeah.
I mean,
I don't know. How do you want to pay for the ride?
I could, like, wash your dog? Like, do you have a dog?
No, I don't have a dog, but...
Well, I could wash something else, maybe.
I mean, my car is pretty clean. I actually just got it detailed, so...
Yeah, looks pretty clean, but,
Yeah.
like, I'm sure there's something else that needs washing. Like,
Honestly, I don't
laundry.
know. What? My laundry?
Laundry? Yeah.
I mean, I can do my own laundry.
I mean, you don't have to, though. Like, I could, like, you know, pay
You-
for my ride that way.
You want to pay for your ride by doing my laundry?
Yeah, or something else, you know?
What do
If
you mean?
there's anything else you need me to do, like,
I mean, I can't take Cash App or anything if that's what you're saying.
I mean, it doesn't have to be Cash App. It could be, you know, manual labor.
Manual labor?
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of do need my deck refinished. I don't know if you know how to redo decks.
That's a little out of my scope, but like there's other things that I'm very qualified for.
Do you know how to like refinish like concrete? Like,
No,
okay.
but I know how to finish other things.
Like what?
You know, like whatever job needs to be done.
I don't know. I mean, if you know how to do like plumbing, like one of my sinks is kind of like leaking a little bit.
Yeah. Do you know how to fix a leak
Huh?
yourself?
I mean, I was gonna call up a plumber, but I mean, you just said you know how to finish stuff, so.
Yeah, I do know how to finish some things, but you know.
So what?
I don't know. We could just get creative. Maybe you could just bring me over after the ride.
Bring you
I
over?
can, like, figure out what I can do to earn my keep.
What are you talking about? I gotta make
I'm just trying to, like, you know, pay for the ride. Like, I'm trying to do the right thing, you know? Like,
Do you
you
need?
deserve to be reimbursed.
Do you need like my info for like a wire transfer or what?
I don't have any cash, like, in the bank.
So why did you order an Uber?
Because I figured we could work something else out, so.
I don't know. I don't know what you're saying.
Listen, I saw your picture pop up as my driver, and
Yeah.
I just figured
Figured what?
that we'd be able to work something out together, you know?
I'm lost.